Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Cornell Notes template in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want a proven method to take better notes? The Cornell Notes system is perfect for studying and revision. So let's see how to use it in Goodnotes in 2026 just by following these few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You can head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using because it's both available on Android and iOS devices. Then you're gonna look for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on open, and after you install the application, click on open and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open Goodnotes, create a new notebook. You can create a new one or edit a new one. Edit an already existing one. Now as you can see, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna create a new one. As you can see, I'm gonna select notebook. Now here I can find the templates. Here you're gonna choose Cornell, this option right here, which is Cornell. You're gonna click on create note. Now after you create a note with the Cornell template, use the main section for detailed notes and write keywords or questions in the side column. At the bottom, add the summary of the page and review regularly by covering sections and testing yourself. Now, you can also keep the questions short and clear and summarize after each session and use it for active recall. The Cornell method makes studying more effective and organized. Use it consistently for better results. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in next tutorial.